Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Talk and Mock, and this is Ashwini. I'm here. I'm your reasoning educator at Unacademy. In this video, we will going to solve some important syllogism questions which will be definitely helpful for your SBI PO exam. Before that, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Talk and Mock and click the bell icon. Unacademy, India's largest learning platform with top educator top batches are started on October 27th. Okay. Strong lineup of batches, practice batch for all bank exams, foundation batch, advanced practice batch, Ran Vijay batch, course for CET, foundation batch for SBI PO, Gurukul batch for IBPS, finance batch for IBPS SO, FO prelims, IBPS SO prelims, target LIC assistant prelims, and target SBI PO exam 2021 English medium batch. Okay, Ask It Out by Unacademy feature available to learners who have installed the latest version of the Unacademy app. Okay, you just raise your doubt by sending a clear image of your question and get an instant solution. If the question is unique, you'll get a detailed video solution. October offers for 1 year 4 months free at rupees 6,500 and for 2 years 8 additional months free at rupees 7,800. Use Naresh 10 code and get maximum off on your plus subscription. Okay, every Sunday I will have bank convert. It is a 100% live test, consists of 36 questions in 50 minutes, and you get an exciting scholarship from a pool of 1 crore rupees. All set, let's crack it. Let's start. Okay. Here first statement, first question, only few teddy are white. Okay, only a few teddy are white. Some doll are white. Just write like this to differentiate between normal sum and few condition. Okay, some doll are white. Only doll are red. Only doll are red means reverse of all. That means all red are doll. Write it in. All red are doll. Okay. Next, all toy are teddy. All toy are teddy. Okay. First conclusion, no white is red. If they give in conclusion no conclusion means you just check it some possibility. Okay, you just check some possibility. If some possibility follows, then no conclusion will be wrong. If some possibility is false, then no conclusion is true. Here can I connect white with red? No, right? Because red is reserved for only doll. Okay, I can't connect red with white or red with teddy or red with toy. So conclusion, that means possibility false, conclusion 1 is true. All teddy are white is a possibility. All teddy are white is a possibility. We have few condition between teddy and white, right? We have few condition between teddy and right. Again, if they give few condition in statement, you just concentrate on the conclusion, whether it is a direct or indirect. If they give direct, all possibility means definitely it's not at all possibility follows. Okay, but some teddy are white follows, some teddy are white follows. Again, some teddy are not white follows, but all teddy are white is a possibility, not follows. Okay, so conclusion 2 wrong. Next, conclusion 3, all doll are white is a possibility. All doll are white is a possibility. No, because if I write all doll are white, red will come here, then all red become white, right? All red become white. So, but red is reserved for only white. We can't connect with red with white or red with teddy or red with toy. So, all possibility false. For this question, only conclusion 1 follows is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, next statement. All students are girls. All students are girls. Only few girls are Indian. Only few girls are Indian. Some Indians are Kashmiri. Some Indians are Kashmiri. Again, we have few condition between girls and Indians, right? Few. Okay. No Kashmiri is illiterate. No Kashmiri is illiterate. First conclusion, no Indian is illiterate. Some Indian can be illiterate. Whether it is follows or wrong. Some Indian can be illiterate. Yes, I can connect illiterate with Indian. Right? Possibility follows, then no conclusion. False. All girls can be student. See, student and girl directly connected, right? Student and girls are directly connected. Then possibility definitely follows. Okay. Some Indians are not illiterate. Again, say friends, if they give no conclusion means you just check some possibility. Okay, some possibility. If they give some not conclusion means you just check it all possibility. You just check all possibility. And important thing is, if they give some A or not B, then you must and should check like this only. All A can be B. Okay, here some Indians are not illiterates. That means all Indian can be illiterates. All Indian can be illiterates. But Kashmiri, and in between Kashmiri and Indian we have some region, right? It will come here. Then we have no Kashmiri are illiterate. Both are enemies, no? Then here both are become friends. Possibility false, then conclusion true. Okay, if possibility false, then given conclusion is true. If possibility for true, then given conclusion will be wrong. For this question, 2 and 3 follows is the correct answer, option C. Next question. Some mango or apple. Okay, some mango or apple. Again, only few banana or mango. Only few banana or mango. Here banana is a first word. Okay, banana is a first word. All apple are lychee. All apple are lychee. Okay, no lychee is a Goa. Some mango or apple, only a few banana or mango, all apple are lychee, no lychee is Goa. Conclusion. All lychee or apple is a possibility. Okay. See, all apple or lychee, then definitely all lychee or apple is a possibility follows. Clear? All banana can be apple. See here. All banana can, there is no few connection between apple and banana, right? And all are in single Venn diagram. Definitely possibility follows. There is no few condition between banana and apple. And apple and banana are in single Venn diagram. See. Then definitely possibility follows. Some apple or guava is a possibility. And some apple or guava is a possibility. No. Some apple or guava is not possibility not follows, because if I connect like this, guava and lychee become friends, but they are enemies. So conclusion 3 false, 1 and 2 follows is the correct answer. Okay, clear? Yes. Thank you friends. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.